Hello, welcome to Algebra 2 CST Released Question number 75. Here's what we got. It says, which of the following conclusions is true about the statement below? X squared equals the square root of x. So is that ever true? Is there something you could think of where that would have to be true? Let's try some examples, just like we've done with the previous two questions. Some examples here. Plug in. Let's try a positive number to start. So it's usually good to start with something small. Let's go with 2. 2 squared does that, in fact, equal the square root of 2? No, this would be 4. This would be about 1.4. And so, no, that's not going to work out. So is this statement always true? Definitely not. Is the statement never true? Well, we haven't gotten to that point yet. The statement is true when it's negative. Well, let's try it out. Let's see what happens. If we plug in a negative value, let's go with -4, and we square that. Is that equal to the square root of that value, -4? This would become, I'll put a question mark there, this would be 16. Is that equal to, this could be written as negative, or not negative, this could be written as, remember this is the same thing as the square root of -1 times 4, which you could write as 2i. Is this equal to that? Definitely not. So is this true when x is negative? No. We still haven't figured out if it's C or D, so let's try this value now here. Let's try 0. What happens? If you plug in 0 squared, is that equal to the square root of 0? So we tried positive numbers, they aren't going to work. We tried negatives, they're not going to work. But does 0 work? 0 squared is 0. The square root of 0 is 0. This is the only value where it's going to check out. So this one, it's going to work. So is it never true? We found one case where it was true. So even if we just got one, we can't say it's never true. We can say, though, that the statement is true when x equals 0. Number 75, choice C.